This is the production video of your custom MagiCube. It was shot post-production of your recent order of MagiCubes. This video is for your reference only and does not require your approval. However, if you notice any discrepancies, please notify your sales rep or distributor immediately. Your order is in the final production stage just prior to shipping. This video was shot just after printing and at the start of assembly, and just prior to the final stage of packaging for your order of MagiCubes. Production of these cubes was based on the approved digital proofs. Please acknowledge this video by reconfirming your ship-to address. Also, if you need to change your shipping method, please advise immediately. The power of positive emotion is a key element of successful advertising. These custom MagiCubes are sure to touch, teach, and connect. Each cube will create endless impressions that will engage your recipients with the power of positive emotion for a truly unique promotional product. Each cube is made from 100% recycled plastic, and all of our products are CPSIA compliant. Thank you for your business.